Let's get started with Laravel Nightwatch. The good news? It won't take that long. Seriously, we can start monitoring your application in under a minute. After signing up for an account at nightwatch.laravel.com, you can go ahead and select your billing plan for that account. I'm going to select the free plan to get started. After selecting a plan, we just need to create our organization. This can be a company organization or an individual organization. We just have to give it a name. I've already done this, so why don't I hop over into the organization I've already created. So here's my new organization that I've created in this account. I just need to add an app to the organization to get started. We'll go ahead and give it a name. The default settings here look great for me right now. Of course, I can also upload an icon if I needed to as well. Clicking next. Now we just need to install the Nightwatch package into my application. Copy that command and install it into your application. After that's installed, we just need to add the Nightwatch token environment variable. Copy that and paste it over into my environment variables. And then I just need to configure my log channel to be set to Nightwatch. By default, mine's set to stack. I'm just going to change this to Nightwatch. Hitting next. The last and final step we need to do is just making sure that the Nightwatch agent is running. Now in production, this does need to be a long-standing command. Now I just wanted to point out that I'm running this agent command locally just to show how it connects to Nightwatch. But this environment variable and the long-running process, they're meant to be run in production or wherever your environment that you're looking to send data to Nightwatch for monitoring lives. Authentication is successful and we're good to go. And just like that, we can start monitoring our application within Laravel Nightwatch. See? I told you it was going to be easy. So why don't you sign up for a free account today and start monitoring your application with Laravel Nightwatch.